Okay, we have made it to Epcot from Animal Kingdom. It was a long hop over.
Yeah, that bus took a long time.
Yes, it did.
It took about 30-40 minutes.
And you're wearing your Thank the Phoenicians, and I'm wearing my nice glittery Epcot shirt with my spaceship Earth ears.
Yep.
So we are all prepared for Epcot.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.
Are they your favorite?
I like them a lot.
Like, so much that you wanted to see them 3 times on the trip?
Yes. They're very good.
I'd say they're your favorite then.
I think they are.
So the sun is setting, and you can see way off in the distance there's the Disney Springs balloon. They already have the globe out for illuminations. I caught you yawning.
I know.
Is it because the sun's setting?
Yes, and this music.
It's super relaxing.
Like, I'm ready to go to bed now, right? Oh my gosh, people are... When's the first show?
5:15.
Okay, so it's 5 o'clock. Never mind.
Stop is this Tarabaki Holiday Kitchen. I think Nate's gonna get the grilled lamb and kefta. Okay, so you got the grilled lamb kefta and grapes.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see what you think of that.
Interesting.
What's that on the side?
That's grapes.
Oh, no, I know what that is. I don't know.
It's like shredded vegetables. Try it.
Nah, nope.
I mean, it really doesn't taste bad at all.
Nope, I don't want to try it. No, no. We're not doing the train.
You're rude.
I know.
Ooh, that's like a lamb sausage.
Like a good lamb sausage?
No, like terrible. Oh, wow, it's weird.
Because it's in spices?
No, it's a hot grape.
Oh. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next up on the list for Nate is the Hokkaido Holiday Kitchen, which is Japan. And he's gonna get the soba.
What do you want to do with the shrimp tempura?
New Year.
Like, the lamb is very good. There's a little red sauce on the side. It's very spicy.
Is it?
So be careful.
Okay, so you got your soba noodles?
They're very good. Like, this is almost.
So you got it with shrimp, but you couldn't get it with chicken?
No, you can get it. It comes with shrimp and chicken.
Oh, it comes with balls.
Mm-hmm. It's like a beef broth, almost. Very good.
So this is the stop number 3, American Holiday Table. We just saw Warwick Davis out there on the, like, outside it. You can stop and watch from a distance.
It's cool that you can still see it.
Yeah. So slow roasted turkey is what I'm gonna get, and Nate's gonna get the chocolate pecan tart.
It's vegan.
Yeah, that's why. So we found a good spot next to the eggnog Christmas tree.
Yes.
Yeah,
I forgot that was there.
And then you got the pecan tart.
Mm-hmm.
And you got a beer?
It's a eggnog porter. It's a shipyard eggnog.
So it's an eggnog beer? That's really weird.
So weird.
Do you like it?
Yes. So it slightly tastes like eggnog, but it's definitely very beery. I don't have a good way to explain that.
And then I got the turkey, which comes with stuffing and green beans and cranberry sauce.
Mm-hmm. Yeah! Oh, sorry. We're walking and dancing. Dance walking. Oh, yeah. they have the cream and Parmesan sauce, the carbonara.
What is that?
Pancetta?
Yeah.
It's something that's delicious. You should try it.
Silly.
So someone got the carbonara.
I don't know what the rest of it sounds like.
It's basically what? Like noodles
It's like mac and cheese with some bacon and stuff in there.
Yeah, it's a light sauce, like a Parmesan sauce, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's good. $7. Gotta admit, with the fountain, it is fairly nice out here.
Really nice.
The weather is beautiful.
Spaceship Earth is beautiful.
Spaceship Earth is beautiful.
The music is beautiful.
The music is okay. I mean, beautiful. It's a good day. This is what I was expecting.
Not the freezing cold weather.
Not the cold weather. But it's...
Somebody, we're paranoid. We packed all of our gloves and hat and coat just in case.
Yeah, I'm still in shorts and a t-shirt. I'm doing good.
This is a first.
The Land, featuring the Circle of Life show.
No.
With Simba.
No.
Isn't that the prime attraction here?
I mean, obviously.
Oh, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. Another first.
Living with the Land at night. We've never done that one.
It's gonna be scary. All the nocturnal animals and plants are gonna be out.
They're gonna come to life.
Yeah. Well, that's what happens. Have you never seen Night at the Museum?
Whatever.
It's the same thing. They made a sequel. It's called Night at Epcot.
We didn't even talk about the smell.
Nope. I purposely didn't.
You know, really good use of a fast pass when there's no wait.
Yeah.
It was 15 minutes earlier than we.
I know.
Gotta wait.
Let's go to Sunshine Seasons.
Scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet.
I think someone's ready to soar with the eagles and the birdies. You've still never watched The Rocketeer, have you? You do need to watch that movie. It's a very good classic movie.
Spaceship Earth time. It's our last fast pass for the day. We forgot to pick a language. Oh, I hope it knows.
It's gonna do Spanish.
Oh.
Or Chinese.
That would be awkward. What face are you gonna make?
Okay.
Very philosophical? Okay. Good on the job.
Gutenberg invents the multi-type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as far as these new and travel rates.
Yes, I do.
Make it easier to invent the future in every field. And the result is an incredible explosion in innovation we call the Renaissance. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Should I say, your future?
What's wrong with your eyes?
My eyes get blacked out on
Your
this.
eyes are
In your
soulless.
future, it'll be more fun than ever to enjoy your extreme sports adventures.
Look at your eyes.
I mean, I know they have dark circles, but good grief.
Not your pupils.
But even in a perfect world, accidents do happen. Need to be no problem. Just gotta go.
It's our last time at Epcot this trip. We've been here 3 times, which is really good.
I know.
But we'll see you.
We got to do a lot of stuff. We got to eat around the world and do a bunch of the Christmas stuff.
Yeah.
And we got to see the whatchamacallit thing, candlelight processional.
Yeah, parts of it, yeah.
I thought it was good.
Yeah.
It was a good
And
Epcot trip.
we'll see you again in the spring for Flower and Garden Festival,
Goodbye.
which is the best time ever.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Phenomena. Phenomena.